I was home with our young girls, and Joe was working downtown as an insurance broker in a cube, and more and more miserable every day. And so finally we just said, let's just be young and dumb and not start a business. We wanted to run a business. So that's why we bought into a franchise, was to have a support backbone and to run a business. And it had to have certain criteria. We wanted to serve the community. We needed a low startup, and we wanted it to be,
quickly ramped up quickly. Yeah, be able to scale it pretty quickly. So
they have resources once you open, because all that training seems to just be dumped on that first job. So I could call in a panic and say, hey guys, I've got a sewage loss, whole house affected. I don't remember what to do. What are the steps? But having the corporate team, I'm always on the phone with somebody.
There's people that can help you with the business side as well as the side of the actual doing the work.
The brand's growing itself. I mean, seeing it grow 4 years ago, it was 22 locations, something like that. Now, I believe Gary said it was over 290 currently. So that's a pretty amazing growth.
They're phone call away, from lots of people. My staff has been there many times. They love the relationship they got with those people. They got even a close relationship with our technicians and stuff.
for me personally, my favorite thing is we get a lot of customers that are emotionally in a bad place because something's happened to their house. And my favorite thing is being able to help reassure them that we're here, we're gonna do the right thing, we're gonna get their house back to the way it is, and that they need to focus on their family, their lives, their jobs, and don't worry about your house, that we can focus on that for you and get that taken care of. And that, seeing the kind of the relief with them and the trust gained along the way, that's one of the most rewarding things for me personally.
Yeah, they must be doing something right. I wouldn't quite call us a household brand just yet, but I don't think we're too far away from that.